Hello everyone, we continue our lessons. In this lesson, we will list the categories in a drop-down tool on the product adding page. To do this, first let's write our code related to categories under the HTTP GET method for create product. Var values underscore we need category list, so we need prior read only I category service underscore category service and generate constant, not generate constructor, and we can choose add parameters to products controller I product service product service. Okay, our generate method is ready for category service. Var values underscore category service dot get list all t get all. Okay, and we back dot categories new select list new select list for values and we need display member and value member. Our value member is category ID, our display member is category name. Okay, we back categories is ready. Good. And let's move on the view side. Right click, go to view. This is create product view. We need a drop down list tool in the view side. Write our code product category. You can delete this here and select SP4 category ID and class form control and SP items are viewback dot what's his name categories. Okay, viewback dot categories and good. Our select drop down list for is ready. Okay, we can try it. Control Shift W. I'm waiting for open. And our product category is ready. Good, we don't have any problem. Okay, our categories are listed, it's good. Next is the process of adding new products. For this we need to go to the controller side and write our code. We need HTTP post and public I action result, same name, create product, and we need parameter. We can change next lessons entity to data transfer object layer, DTO layer. We need product. Okay, and underscore product service dot insert product and return redirect to action. Go to product list with category, Okay, right click, go to view form method. Where is form method? Is post. Okay, Control Shift W. We can treat product name, products. Firstly, we can see our product list with category, and apple, orange, strawberry, potato, banana, coke, water. Okay, add new product, apple pie, stock 11, product price 15, product image URL test, description test 1, and product category is desert. Create product, and okay, you can see our product is created. Product ID is 1002. This is not problem. I will explain why this is so. Okay, good. That's enough. Next lesson we will create update process. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.